Shakespeare at 16s, dipping my ink pen. Made a sculpture of me, but my dick was too thin. Paint pictures of me, but they never get my chin. One writing scriptures, bringing tears to the princess. Every time I indent, you can see the intent. Leave your mind bent, hanging on to every sentence. Have no apprentice, style uninherited. Laughing at you peasants, cause my penmanship is excellence. Whenever in the present, I speak wide. I'm the town hero, cause my words give them pride. And what they feel inside, I say the perfect words for. Some say I'm a prophet with the visions I get cursed for. Leave them all astonished, ride with the verbs. Make a grown man cry with shrimp for the words. Tears to Mona Lisa, Medusa the liquid. Flow can make Gandhi grab the burner, wanna shoot shit. Rhymes that'll make the Pope wanna get his dick sucked. Have Virgin Mary